Hello ladies and gents, this is a bit of a different one. I'm actually going to try and build everything completely from scratch. The idea is when you are in a call with a client or a potential client and you want to send them something just before they finish the call, and you want to do this because you want to impress them, maybe even close a sale right there and right then. Okay, so what we're going to try and use is Pandadocs, Zapier Central, and we'll use tally.so, and that will then get sent to Zapier Central. That information will then trigger a creation in Pandadocs, and then that will then send an email to the potential client. All right, so let's try and build this. So I think what we'll do first is go into Pandadocs. I've already started making an account here. Just go in the description below and grab the link and just keep on clicking the buttons until you get up until this point. I will just skip this. Right, so a big thing here is watch out when you're creating this. When you create a document in Pandadocs, you want it to be created as a template, not a document, because then Zapier or Make or something like that can't access the documents. It can only access the templates. So plus here, let's go to the template gallery and see what we can find in the proposals section. Proposal even. Community gallery. Let's see what kind of ones they have. That one here looks pretty cool. Let's try the Magneto project proposal. Add one item. And just double check it says template here at the top. Okay, so it's in templates, perfect. Just get rid of the logo here. To type in a variable into this project, you use the square brackets and go, we'll call this one project.name using camel writing, I think it's called in code. For client first name, client last name, this would be sender names, and the last name, so this would be Henrik Lunaris at Lunaris AI. Project overview. I don't think we even want any of this here. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. Complete page. We'll have this as, change this to enhancements. Our team, just delete that. Scope of work, delete. Product browsing, delete. Order management, delete. Time frame, that looks good. Fees looks good. Terms and conditions. We'll probably just get rid of this last part. And then keep this last page for the signing. All right. Now that we've got like a base thing to work with, let's change up a few things. Let's get rid of this. So sender company, which is whatever our company is, we'll build, and then client company, a chatbot for their website with the project name, so called project name, key current bottleneck or issue that sender company is experiencing is currently this. Maybe the current bottleneck issue that sender company currently experiencing is, so we'll say something like they have troubles getting they have trouble not getting enough leads, for example. Okay, and then how we propose we at sender.company propose to alleviate this issue by writing a solution of, and then here we'll have our solution. So I'll just press enter to make that, and then at the top I forgot to go client issue. Let's have that as the variable that will be stored, be automatically generated by our AI. We put in here. Okay, so enhancements, future enhancements, time frame. Let's get rid of some rows. So here, we'll go a demo. So let's say they reached out to you and you offer them a demo. It's a brief description of the stage, quick demo based on a website or short document. Say 2 days. And depends how big it is. So it depends if you already have the template made. So maybe you can do that in maybe half a day. And then we have a demo. We'll have like a testing phase, and then here they'll call you during call. You give and provide feedback and give documents. Provide. Let's just leave it at that. And then we'll have to then go off from here and then fix up the things based on the feedback. And then here we'll just have setting up website, so implementation. So here installation to website. Let's just say 2 days in case they don't reach out to you straight away. So it'll be 7 days. So item 1, we'll do a demo. Custom demo based on your website. Let's say usually consultation on the demo say costs $297, but it's for free for them. And then, so that's free. So let's put in here $297, but the quantity is 0. And here for the demo, for the testing phase, change up or update prompt engineering. So update prompt engineering and conversational flows. So they expect like what the client wants. So maybe fix up the knowledge base and maybe fixing up the way it responds. So let's say this is 497. Installation. So website, and say let's say in total was $1,000, and just for the sake of it, the remainder is $500. All right, terms and conditions. I'm not going to really read through this too much. Let's get rid of this though and put project name in here. Therefore, okay, this is good. This is actually what I was doing up here, so they'll give us roughly 50% of the payment to continue with the work. We finished off on 4, so let's change to 5, 6, and then double click on the signature, and you can have your own signature set up here after you click use template. So we can't do it right now. It would have to, I think, be in the documents section for you to actually be able to sign this. I think that's it. So go at the top and let's right click on that. I'll show you guys a cool little thing just before we do that. You can go extensions and payment and actually set it up with your Stripe account. So then when they sign this and you've already signed it, just send them straight to the Stripe paper account and they can pay for the thing right away. So you do not want to click on use this template yet. We'll just call this one YouTube proposal at the top, just so we know which template it was. Okay, and let's go into now Zapier Central and set stuff up here. So if you didn't watch my previous video, I recommend watching this one. Go to this link and then click on the orange button here, try it Central today. And this was from our last actually prank call video. Let's create a new bot. And I'm thinking we might have to set up something with Tally.io first before we continue, because we would be typing into the form while we're talking, and then once that's done, that will shoot a webhook or some kind of trigger to send into Zapier Central, and Zapier Central will send into there. So, all right, let's go into create a new form and Tally.so. I'll give you guys the link to this. Sign up, it's completely for free. You don't have to pay for anything with this platform. So all I did there was I just signed up and just logged in, and pretty much just looks like this. And then go new form. We'll call this YouTube proposal. Let's see if there's like a template that we can use. There's a lead gen one, registration form. Let's check out this one. No. Maybe this one. Yeah, I like this one more. So the web project intake questionnaire, use this template. So then we'll change this to client first name, client last name. Let's not put the phone number in here, so let's delete that. Email address, we'll need this, and client company name. Page 2, your answers to the business. Just call this further info. Project title. Oh, perfect. So this will be go with project maybe name. So let's make that project name. Project type. Don't really need this. Of this. Of this. Of this. And what else do we need? Wow, there's a lot here. All right. We probably don't need all this. Proposal. So basic. Client info. So we need the client first name, right? So we need the client first name, last name, client company. We need the email address so then I can send to the email. Client company name, we need that. We need the project name. What else actually don't we need? We need the client issue and our solution. Let's change that to client issue, and then let's go insert block below, and then questions, and we want question plus short answer, insert, and then we'll go our solution. Let's just delete everything else. Submit. Let's get rid of this part. Okay, so we just cleaned our template that we got, and I think that is everything. Project name, client issues, and our solution. Let's publish this. And then what we'll do is we'll integrate this with Zapier in a sec. So let's go back into Zapier Central. Now what we want to set up is join up the tally, our form that we have, with this, and then whatever our prompt in here will be, that will then send instructions to PandaDocs. So our trigger will be tally. That's this symbol here, that little like star, 5-point star thing. Let's click on that. Triggers when a new form submission is received. I've already hooked it up before with my thing, so let's see if it finds that form we just made. Call YouTube proposals. Great. Add trigger. So this should trigger when I make a new form. So trigger. Tally. New submission when a new form is received. Okay, so this will be the action. Now the action will be to hook this up with PandaDocs, the green one. And we want to create a document from a template. Now this is my old email. That one's gone right now, so I'm going to need to create a new connection. Let's go here. So once you've got your connection, the document name will be generated automatically by us. Set a specific value for this field. And for the template, we want the template that we made. So we should find the YouTube proposal one. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Order. Shouldn't be an issue, it's just right on the templates. So send document. Do you want to send the document to your recipients? Yes. Yes, we do. This will be the message body for our email. Just keep that in mind. A role sender email. Keep that generated. So just leave that and leave that. Leave this. Find email. Do not include a field for the phone. We didn't include that. We don't want to CC anyone. Okay, and there we go. These are our tokens that we're going to use, or the issue. So we have to hook them up with the responses from our tally. So have that be AR generated, and a solution AR generated. Same, just leave that. Do not just use the default table. Okay, actually it won't do anything for the pricing table because we're not going to prompt it with anything. Okay, so here in our instructions, we'll need to tell it to use the client issue, project name, and the solution. Okay, let's see how this actually looks like in all in one go. So trigger, tell new submission when new form is received, gather the basic client info from the tally form, such as client name, last name, email, client company, gather the project name and make it sound cool, reword the client issue and the solution to sound more professional. Look, I have no idea how it'll act. Let's see if it even works. Let's see if it actually used our template. Didn't do the project name, didn't do that, didn't fill out any of this stuff. That's not good. So what I'm going to do is the video, I'll just let it run and I'll just like double speed my work. I'm going to try redo the prompt to try and make this work, and then I'll just fill this out again with an actual email that I've got, so it'll be sent there. We can see it that way. So I'm just going to be quiet here and just try to do that now. Okay, let's try this again. Test behavior. So I've changed up the prompt completely. I've added in also a new email, and hopefully let's go on to extract that and actually send it through nicely. Cool. Looks good. I like how it asks for like permission to continue. So this is actually like Relevance AI, by the way, if you guys haven't used that before. Apparently we can view the document, but let's go into our email and check that out. So it's what, 443, so it should be this document. Hello, Bob Builder. Here is your proposal from our website. Lead management chatbot regards Lunaris. Hopefully the project variables have actually been filled out. Yeah, there you go. Website lead management chatbot prepared by me. Lunaris AI. And the current bottleneck or issue is struggling to manage the overwhelming influx of leads via the website. And we at Lunaris propose to alleviate this issue by providing a solution of that. You guys saw all this before. And then, yeah, so the client can actually sign here. What you can do is also now it'll get emailed to me. I think I have to put the actual date in. Finish. And then that should now send so it has just completed that. So I open the same document. I go back and sign that on my end. Finish. So the better way to do that would then get sent to your client. So you would pre-sign it, and then that will get that. Once that client signs it, he can then straight away pay for the thing. And let's see what that actually came up with. Yeah, so we didn't have the action to send to Stripe or anything like that. It all worked. We've got everything we wanted out of this. Zapier Central is quite slow, so maybe it is not the best thing to use. What I'll probably use is Make. That'll be a much easier way to do it. So you would grab a form from Tally and do pretty much the same thing we did in Zapier, just using make.com. That will get sent straight through into Pandadocs. You can do that also in there. Instead of connecting up to an AI here, you connect them with OpenAI. And yeah, now you did notice me actually struggle through some parts here, so it didn't work one time. I tried it out another time, rewrote the prompt completely. This is my final prompt. Just take a screenshot, put it into ChatGPT and tell it to extract it. So for this month, I've got a few spots open for a couple students. If you're just starting out in your AI agency journey, I'll be there to help you 24/7, or if you just want help for an hour or so with a project on VoiceFlow, Make, or Zapier, or any of the low-code platforms, I'm very happy to help you out with that. You can reach me in my Discord just below in the description, or you can book it via my Calendly link. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, signing out.